Are you hearing a delay when you play your guitars through an amp sim in Logic Pro? If so, I'll show you guys the settings to fix that latency right now so you can record in real time. Without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. Alright guys, so here we are in Logic Pro, and let's start with recording. Say you're in a recording session and you're trying to record some guitar with amp sims, and you're strumming your guitar and it's taking a second to hear it, a lag or a latency they call it, which is a nightmare. If that is going on, you need to switch a couple things in your settings, okay? So we're going to go up to Logic Pro settings, we're going to go to audio. Okay, so the first things we're going to switch is I always, the IO buffer size when I'm recording stuff, when I'm laying down tracks, I always change this to 64. You can get away with like 128, okay? So change that bad boy. And then next is the process buffer size, okay? And you want to change this to small for when you're recording, okay? And then when you've done that, make sure you hit apply, okay? And that will change the settings, okay? And then later on I'll show you guys what to do when you're not using recording. But so next is one other thing you got to do, and I could have showed you in the settings too, but I'll go up here. It's just easy to go this way also. So low latency mode, you can click this on, and this should totally get rid of that lag of your guitar, you know, taking a second to hear it after you strum it with amp sims, okay? So remember to turn that on again, okay? So we're gonna go to, so you're all done recording stuff and you're starting to mix stuff. So go to your audio, and then you want to switch this bad boy. You can see I have it at 512 because I'm in the middle of mixing right now. So 512, you can get away with like 256, but 512 I suggest for the IO buffer size. And then the buffer range size, I always, when I'm mixing, always go to large, okay? And again, make sure that low latency mode is off, okay? Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button, subscribe. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Did you guys enjoy this video? Was it helpful? I'm Jeremy Haws. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. That leaves it wide open. See you guys. Yeah.